My name is Carrie Hume. I'm a veterinary oncologist and I work in the medical oncology department. I wanted to be a veterinarian because when I was younger, my mother was very allergic to all animals with fur, so we were only allowed to have fish, and I was desperate to have pets and be around animals. So I also really loved science and math, so when I was in college, it seemed like the natural choice to make so I could be around all the animals that I wanted to be, as well as still be very active in science. I chose oncology because I was in general practice for a while, and I was involved in the treatment of several patients that had lymphoma. And when you have lymphoma, or when a pet has lymphoma, you do come in every week for treatment, often depending on what those owners decide to do. And I really just enjoyed getting to know the owners and the pet, and I felt like I was able to make a really big difference for some time in how they all felt. And so that really just felt like that's what I should be doing, and I just fell in love with it. If I wasn't a veterinarian, I think I would be doing something totally opposite, like being a casting director in Hollywood, or maybe a hairstylist, something very, probably just totally opposite of what I'm doing. Yeah, when I'm not here, I love to be out in the foothills of Idaho. I do a lot of mountain biking and hiking with my dogs and with my kids. I love to run, and I love to listen to podcasts and audiobooks, but I just love to be outside. We have Ernie the cat and Lulu and Jojo the Doodles. We call them the Doodle Sisters. And right now that's all we have, and I think that's what we're gonna stick with for now. If I could have a superpower, it would definitely be flying. I always have wanted to fly. I have dreams about flying. Sometimes in my dreams, people are pulling my feet down, but if I could just fly without that happening, that would be great. If I could have dinner with anyone in history, I think instead of, someone famous, I might choose my grandfather on my mom's side, because I didn't really get to know him. So I feel like that would be a good dinner to have. What I love most about what I get to do every day is that I get to work in a hospital where everyone is working together to help these pets get better. And also it's always different. It's never the same thing every day. And I get to work with a group of people that we all have the same goals and values, and we really just truly want to help each pet as much as we possibly can.